after we're done resining and finished doing all that, this is what it looks like afterwards. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a spot where I'm going to put our image. So maybe right here. So what I did was I traced the image, just the outline, so I can put that right here, because I'm going to go and do a power wash over it, which is you take Dawn power wash dish soap and you spray it around the vessel of places that you don't want the paint to get on. And then what you do is you put the power wash on, then you take your spray paint and you're going to spray it, and then you go and then you rinse off the power wash and whatever's left over from the spray paint. So I'm going to show you the end results of that. So let me go take it outside and spray it right now. I'll be back. Okay, so now this is what the power wash looks like. It just looks kind of like a splattery, like water droplet type of design. So now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put our image on. I have Jimi Hendrix here, so I'm just going to do him, and we're going to position it where we want it, which is, I put the vinyl here so I can have empty spots so I can place our image. So let me see if I can get it on straight. So far so good. So we're going to make sure it's on there good. And then what I'm going to do is peel it off here. And you want to do this very slowly. Make sure you don't mess up the image. So it's coming slowly but surely. And there's one piece there. Make sure it stays. Looks like we got a winner here, and he is on, and yeah, you can see it, and that's what Jimmy looks like on there. So what I'm going to do next is put this back on my turner, and I'm going to resin it again and let it, this will be the final coat, and then after that we'll see the final results. I'll see you later. Bye. Okay, so this is the finished product here. I had to use my phone to videotape this so you can see him actually glow in the dark because my video camera doesn't catch it as well as the camera. So I'm going to turn the light off right now so you guys can see that. Turn it a little bit so you can see it, but this is pretty much what he'll look like at night when he's glowing in the dark.